respected Mrs. Beena, DC Handlooms, Gaurav from the Alumni Association, and Shirish, and the rest of the organizing team. A very good morning to all of you, and a very warm welcome on behalf of IIT Delhi Textile Department, which I represent, to all the participants who come from far and wide for this. At the outset, I must say I am very happy to see the energy that Beena ji had, a very young and energetic and leading from the front, is a very, very happy thing for the handloom sector. I have been associated with, in fact my association with handloom sector started about 35 years ago when we first started working on natural dyes, and we had a joint project with the handloom and the weaver service centers, etc. So I know quite a few of the directors, etc. from that time. So, you know, even at that time we were saying we were looking at something new, we were looking at uplifting the sector, and we kind of knew all the problems that existed. And 30 years down, we are still talking about the same thing, and Beena ji actually mentioned some very beautiful stories, anecdotes, you know, where they thought of a new product and launched it. But I think we need many, many more such stories. They are not enough. And as far as the, I think handlooms, love of handlooms is concerned, I think even the new generation now, because of the sustainability movement, is actually moving away from, there's a very strong, this movement, you know, which was not there and which is very recent, last 4 or 5 years. And they're actually ready to pay the premium for products which are sustainable. So I think one of the biggest strengths of handloom sector is the entire supply chain is so sustainable. Besides, of course, you know, empowerment of women and offering livelihoods. So this, like Shirish ji said, this initiative by Beena ji, I think is very innovative in the sense that it brings technology and, you know, culture together. So handloom is not just fabric. Handloom, I think, is about the climate, about the people, about the lifestyle, about the culture, and the heritage, lineage that we have, and each region, the kind of diversity that it has. So I hope if, you know, so 400 people are, you know, coming together here, I think it's a great sensitization exercise first, that we come to know this sector better. The younger generation, those who are into technology or design, etc., come to know and learn about this sector. I think that's step one, because, and like ma'am said, this is not the end. What you take from here by seeing what others do and what you yourself do, you have some very experienced mentors here. This will, I think, be the beginning of a journey which you do for this sector. And I do hope that you will stay connected with handloom sector and identify their problems. I think reducing the drudgery in the process is one of the greatest requirement, the technological intervention, and having IIT Delhi people associated with it and, you know, bringing in that technology component is very, very important. One of the reasons, like ma'am said, the younger people are not doing is because of the drudgery. So if we could, without compromising on the product quality or without taking away the special features of handlooms, handloom fabrics, if we could modify the process of production to reduce the drudgery and make it more vibrant for the young people to be attracted, I think that's what the sector needs. So thank you very much for coming here. I hope you have a great day of deliberations. I plan to come in the evening also to see what all happens today. So very happy day to you and good luck. Thank you.